Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large videos on WhatsApp. Sometimes you need to send a big file. It's 500 and MB, 1 GB, 2 GB, but you cannot do it on WhatsApp. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly send up to 2 GB from any WhatsApp account. So if you follow this method, you are able to do this work. First, select a person I want to send. Now click on this dot icon. Now click on document. If you select document, you are able to send up to 2 GB size. Just click on here. Now you can select any video. It's under 2 GB. You can send it successfully. Example purpose, I select this one. This is only for maybe 200 MB, but uh, I am able to sending up to 2 GB file. So this is the method how you can send large file or large video on WhatsApp. So if you found the video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.